What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Isaiah Rios, and today we're going to be doing a bunch of little things, but the main purpose of today of this video is doing the coolant adapter for the intake. So with my old RAA intake manifold, it has this massive piece here, and then the intake manifold goes on to this. So this piece right here is attached to the intake manifold. So with the RBC, which is the really good one, which is over there chilling out, it doesn't have this piece, so I had to order an adapter from this. Now K20 makes a really good adapter, but if you don't got K20 money, PLM also makes that same adapter. So I used PLM when I did the power steering delete kit. We're gonna do the same thing with this intake coolant adapter for the RBC. So we're gonna give that a shot, give this a little review. Again, engine's not gonna be running, it's gonna be obviously off. And then we're gonna see how the installation is and all that, how the product is itself. I took it out of the box, it seems pretty lit. So let's get to it. All right, quick little unbox, let me get that right there. Comes in this box, take this out here. It does come in a bag, so it's only not in the bag because I opened this box already. This is what it looks like. This is nice. I'm pretty sure it is different from the K20 one, but it does come with the spring. This little setup here. Let me take this off. Little O-ring on both ends. And there. So this is gonna go on like this. Just like that. But I'm pretty sure, so with the K20 one, you have to cut the gasket off right here. But since this one, I'm pretty sure it's set up just to take the gasket itself, the intake gasket. You don't have to cut the gasket and just mount this right onto the gasket. So we're gonna test this out. We got this. Let's do it. But pretty nice. Hold on, let me actually keep showing you guys. So yeah, pretty there. Got that. And obviously hardware. Comes with hardware. No instructions, obviously. No videos or nothing. So the first video, let's do it. All right, first things first. And when it comes to this, if this is in your car, you're gonna have your intake, you're gonna have all that stuff. You're gonna have to disconnect all your intake stuff. You're gonna have to take off this hose here. You're gonna have to take off this hose here, disconnect all these hoses up here, disconnect your fuel rail, take off your fuel rail, all your clips and stuff that are gonna be in here, pull your injectors out. Because if you're switching to the RBC, you're gonna need to take all that stuff out anyways. Pull that stuff out of the way. Again, this is a K24 like 4 head and a cord head, so it's not a very good head. Actually doing this swap, I'm pretty sure it doesn't make that big of a difference, but I'm doing it anyways because it will make some difference because this is very restricting. Not as flowing as the other one. I think the other one's like 199 CFM or some shit like that, some crazy shit like that. It's very good head. All right, very good. Well, yeah, what? 199 is the head, not the intake, my bad. But the intake's very flowing, very good, very high flowing. It's gonna help in some ways with this shit. So you're gonna want to take off this bolt, this nut here, this bolt, this bolt right here, this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and that bolt right there. Now take all those off. After you already took off your intake, it makes everything a lot easier. And if you're doing it the way I am, and your engine's currently like this, just mock it up like when we start putting the intake on all that, because it's a lot easier to put this starter on with the intake off anyways. But so let's get to it and let's do this. Alright, so we're here at this point. Alright, you see these passageways? This is what we're using this bad boy for. It's exactly what this is for. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna go like this. Bloop. Like that. Something like that, yeah. And hopefully we do this right and it works, because this is a bit different from the K20 one. But reason you want to switch intake manifolds, other than the fact that this is the RBC is like the best intake manifold you can get next to the skunk, obviously. But is if you're running the hybrid racing tucked fuel line or any tucked fuel line, it goes through the center of the intake manifold. You can't run through the center of the RAA intake manifold. You can only go from the side, left or right. So if we're gonna run underneath, we need the RBC, so that's why we have the RBC, and that's we're running this. So let's get to it and let's put the RBC on. All right, so let's get this RBC intake manifold on. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna look good. What we're doing is we're deleting this passage here. We're only gonna have this passage here for coolant. And let's get to it. Let's do it. Actually, one more thing. It's gonna come a little plug here. Make sure you plug it with the Allen key, okay? I forgot to mention again, billet aluminum for all this stuff. Very nice machine piece here. I'm not gonna lie. I like the quality of it. It's there. It's perfect. Nothing out of the ordinary like last time. Very good condition. Very good quality. So let's put this thing on. All right, here we go. Boom. I like to take 2 top nuts, put those on to hold it. I'm not going to be tightening everything down because I think I'm going to take this off when I put the starter on. Snug it a little bit. Nothing crazy. I'm going to do those 2 top ones. I'm going to do the 2 bottom ones as well. That way, get a nice fit. I'll just do the one middle one. All right. Give that one a little snug to it there. So now you want to put the intake on first because this little part right here is going to go over this like that, and then you tighten it down. It's on a spring, so you just tighten that down as you're to get it to be flush. You know what I'm saying? And let's get this going. I'll give you guys a better view. Hold on. Alright guys, so this isn't all put in. So I forgot. So I took this piece off here and then I put it all on. You can't screw this on if this piece is on. So make sure this piece is on before you install it. So this is like a spring activated piece right here, right? So our spring loaded. So as you tighten this down here, the spring right there depresses, right? You know, or whatever the word is. But I don't know if it's because it's the kit, but like if you tighten down, like this becomes loose right here, right? This nut then becomes loose, or this bolt becomes loose. But if you tighten that down any further, it will hit the gasket on the back. And now I would just say cut it, you know, cut like a hole so that the bolt can go all the way through. But I don't know if that will then like affect the gasket itself. It probably will, so, and it might cause leaks. So I'm just leaving this bolt loose for now and kind of seeing what happens. I don't know yet, but hey, it's a nice piece. It's a good alternative. It's way cheaper than K-Tune's piece. You know, it's aluminum, so it looks very good. It looks clean. It's snug. It works. It's pretty nice. So that's the install on this piece. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will review. I'll do a review just like I'm gonna do with the power steering kit after I get the car running and I'll have it running for a little bit, and I'll actually see how this works, like the in test. And I'll go over and I'll make another video reviewing this piece and the quality of it as it's under load and working with the coolant. But as of right now, from the looks of it and how it works, it all looks pretty good. This is just a random ass hole. Doesn't lead anywhere, doesn't go anywhere. It's just random. So don't get it. Maybe they messed up machining or something. I don't know, but it's just random, so don't worry about that. It looks very clean. So, but that's all for today. Very nice, short, very short fucking video on just this adapter. Very simple, all right? I'm gonna bang out some more stuff, some more miscellaneous stuff that I need to get done to get this project worked along. And later on videos, you'll see that I acquired a transmission too, and I'll talk about that more in that video. But thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. I love talking to you guys, and I'm gonna keep trying to push out as many videos as I can, as work allows me to, because I'm pretty busy sometimes. But if I can keep it consistent, I'm gonna try to keep it going every week or every other week or something like that. But thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Later.